give your skin that polished glow. Plus, this look is second. And get this, you can try No-No risk-free for not 30 days, but 60 days with a triple guarantee. See for yourself how No-No delivers long-lasting results. If you're not 100%
I see you all alone, talking on your phone, pulling on your clothes like what is going on when you get off the phone. I tried to talk to you, but you ignored me like I hit you, and left me like I did you. Now I'm sitting all alone, thinking about you. What do I do? Do I confront you? Later in the day, I went by where you stay. I saw your old babe. He said his name was Gabe. I asked about you. He said, screw you. He said he owns you. I said, you don't own her. She's her own person. He laughed in my face and went into your place. I said, you're a disgrace. Then there was silence. Then there was crying. I went into your place prepared to fight face to face. I didn't see Gabe. I only saw you. You were sitting in the corner. I decided I would join you. I watched the tears from your eyes. You're beautiful inside. I almost lost my mind when I saw you cry. When I looked in your eyes, I said I want you to be mine. You're too fine to even cry. You're my only love, girl. You're on my mind, girl. You're super fine, girl. You know you have my time, girl. I want you to be mine, girl. I want you to be my love. I want to feel your hug. I want to feel your love. Let's just hope that you can be my love. I'm done.